Finding or designing the perfect truss for your project can be easy with help from Menards. Here, you'll be walked through the process of designing and ordering in-stock trusses, built-to-order trusses, and custom trusses with the Menards online truss store. Start by creating an online account on Menards.com, where all of your designs will be saved. Go to the top right corner of the page to sign in if you already have an account, or click Create an Account and fill out the required information. Once your account is created, go back to Menards.com. Hover over the Project Center tab, then Design It Center, and click the Truss Store. The first screen will ask you to enter the zip code where your project is being built. Please choose the Menards store closest to that location. Here you can search through Menards' vast inventory of in-stock trusses, built-to-order trusses, or send your project plan to obtain a quote. If you have any questions, you can always ask a truss expert in the live interactive chat option, or leave a message and an expert will respond via email. In-stock products are available for immediate pickup at a plant, shipment to your local Menards, or for delivery right to your building site. In-stock products are available in residential trusses, post-frame trusses, floor trusses, and columns. After clicking In-stock trusses, choose the style you are looking for, verify the zip code you are building in, and then order from the menu of products available. If you don't find the truss you are looking for, you can click on the Built to Order button to create your truss. After putting in the desired quantity, continue to the summary page, which will have pricing and the spec sheets for each truss you have selected. Once you're satisfied with your summary, click Continue to select the delivery option. The delivery page offers 2 or 3 options: Pickup at Plant, Pickup at Store, or Deliver to Building Site. Our Pickup at Plant option is available at any of our Truss plant locations, and changing this option will save you time and money. If you would like your project delivered to the building site, click on Chat for delivery. The design ID that appears at the top of the screen is important to include when starting a chat or leaving a message. This will be used to price the delivery for the trusses you selected. If you leave a message, please remember to save your design so you can recall it later. Once everything is correct, click on Place Order and you will be directed to Menards.com to complete the checkout process. The second option for selecting and purchasing trusses is the Built to Order option. Built to Order trusses include floor systems, post-frame trusses, and residential trusses. After clicking Built to Order trusses, verify the zip code you will be building in. You will then be asked a series of questions to make sure the truss is designed to fit your specific needs. For each question, there is information to the right to assist you. After answering the questions, find a match among our library of over 1 million trusses. You might even see in-stock trusses that closely match your requested truss, which can save you time and money. Additionally, a special quote can also be provided. From here, select the truss you want and request any end frames needed. If the truss you choose requires a special quote, you will need to save it to your Menards.com account and print it out. The printout will have the design ID number that is needed to get it priced. Then either chat with a truss expert or leave a message. The remainder of the process will be the same as placing your order for in-stock trusses. The third option for ordering is the Custom Trusses option. After clicking the Upload Blueprint button, you will be directed to the Midwest Manufacturing website. From here, fill out the truss request form and save it to your computer. When this is ready, just click on Blueprint Upload. Once the Menards Upload page opens, please include your name, email address, any special notes, and upload your plan and request form. Then click Send It, and the information will be received by Midwest Manufacturing Truss to complete your quote. Have fun shopping for trusses to complete your project on the Truss store, either at Menards or at home. We are truly dedicated to quality and service, and we look forward to helping you with your truss needs.